Hi, Sudoku friends, welcome. Today on Wednesday, March the 25th, 2020, in the additional newspaper, we have five Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, and 3 stars, a tectonic, and a binary puzzle. In the additional of Wednesday, March the 25th, because there are also regular Sudokus in this newspaper, but I'm a little bit behind with uploading these additional puzzles. I think I'm 2 weeks behind, so I need to catch up. So let's get started with this Sudoku with 1 star. All right. Let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see there 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. Then this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. Wait, it's better to start with a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remain for the 3, should be this one. Then 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, and 6. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then I need more numbers. The 2, the 7, the 1. Can I do something with the 9? Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row. So in the row above, the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box is missing in the last column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Then we go to this big square. no. 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 3 places for a 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here also 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. The numbers are 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, and 6. I see here 3 and 6. So no 3 and 6 in this box. 1 digit left for the 5. Here we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Then the 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yes. These 2 numbers are 6 and 3. That means these 2 numbers left of this big square, 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, 1 and 4. That means in the second row, 1 and 4, 1 box left for the number 6. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 here, 6 should be there. Then 5, 7. Yes. No. The 1, the 3. Can I do something with the 3? No. 3, 3, 3. 2, 7, and 4. I need something. Do something with the 4. 1, 4, and a 1 also. 4. Yeah. 5. Yes. This column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in this column. This box. Here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 5 should be this one. 2, 3, 6, and 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers. Now, in this column, the numbers are 3, 4, and 6. 3, 4, and 6. I see here 3 and a 6. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left. This the digit 4. Here we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 3 and 6. The 4. No. 4, 1. 3 and 6. Yes, in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. Here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2, should be this one. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 8. I have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and a 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1 and 5. Now I have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and a 4 goes there. Then 6. Oh, made a mistake. Wow. It's not the 7. It's the 4 and the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, so 4 is correct. This should be a 6. Double check, double check. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. These 2 numbers of this big square are the numbers 3 and 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. So we have a 3 and a 5 there. So this number should be a 6. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and 8 goes there. Now I can fill these 2 numbers for the numbers 3 and 6 in this row. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 1 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 number left in this last row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright, people. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you for watching this Sudoku with 1 star. Yeah, in a minute I will continue with the Sudoku with 2 stars. So thank you for now, and bye bye.